In this video, Bobby, Lauren, and I finally move on to the new boat and take her for a couple test sails. Then we explore Thailand in style. So we just got to this villa in Thailand and look how freaking awesome the pool looks. I'm definitely about to get in. So I did just go enjoy the pool a little bit, but look at this bathroom. I never get to take baths, so that's really what I want to do right now. I am so excited to get in the bathtub. We enjoyed a little spa day at the villa before getting ready for our floating breakfast.
When you get outside.
Oh my gosh!
Oh gosh, good morning!
Good morning, look at that! So this morning we were gonna have a floating breakfast and they just brought the food. It's raining. It's raining a little bit. So.
But we got mimosas.
But we have mimosas.
Mimosas are coming.
I'm excited. But we're gonna still eat outside.
Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't mind just eating in the pool. I mean, like, whatever, I'm wet anyway, but like, I don't, food would get all rained on.
Yeah, it won't be as pleasant. A floating breakfast is good if it's nice and sunny, but
Yep.
this is the move today. So today is the day of the sea trial, but we started off our day with a little floating breakfast that wasn't so floaty. And now we're just headed to lunch. We worked a little bit. It's been a chill day. The real excitement's coming this afternoon. I'm really enjoying this villa though. It's so conveniently located and it's perfect. It's really comfortable and nice. We have the pool, sleek and modern. AC is amazing. It's just a short walk to the boat. So unexpected. No kidding. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it looks presentable right now. I thought it was impossible.
They made a lot of ground in one day.
No kidding.
Bobby. Thank you.
Hey.
Appreciate it. Yeah. All right, cool.
I don't know if the fridge is on, but you can test it.
Oh, really? Yeah, you can see all the stuff coming up. Looks good, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now that we have had lunch, we're actually about to head to the boat. It's time. Wow, that is a lot of noise. And it's actually time to head to the boat for our, what are we calling it? For our test sail. It's Christmas morning, guys. This is it. Like, this is it. This is the moment we've waited years for. We were finally pushing off the dock for the first time. I can't believe it. We're actually moving. I can't believe it. Such a big deal. Like, so excited. Oh, look at that. This is so cool. I feel like an astronaut, like testing a new rocket ship or something. It felt extra special being a part of this launch with such an innovative drive system, new technology, and a boat that's going to take us around the world. I'll link some Sailing Doodles videos in the description below with time codes where Bobby explains the electrical components in detail.
We're sailing. I might like this shot.
So we are here in Thailand getting things for the boat. Ron is gonna give us some sheets and towels, but that's it. So we actually are at this home goods / kitchen. I think it's more of like a kitchen supply store. And we're picking out dishes and cutlery and stuff like that. Cooking utensils. It's actually going a lot smoother than I anticipated.
The first day was long and more work than you'd expect, but it's amazing being a part of this process. The next day, it was time to move on to the boat and do one more sea trial.
Do you guys hear that? I don't hear anything.
Because there are no diesel engines like a typical boat, she's silent while underway.
It's amazing, just being on the water, like you said. It's like, you can't beat it. You kind of feel like, I don't know, everything melts away.
A little ironic that my stress was melting away while Bobby was docking the boat for the first time. We all made it back in one piece.
Oh my gosh, I was just editing on the boat and saw fire dancers across the way. Let's go check them out.
What a great way to kick off our first night staying on the boat.
So today we're gonna go record for Lauren's channel, and I'm excited to see her in her natural, would you call it natural habitat? What would you? Backpack, 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 backpack.
This whole Thailand trip was all about sailing and motorcycles. I'm the luckiest girl in the world. It's just another great way to explore Thailand.
Bobby barely dropped his helmet and the, what do you call it, face mask? The visor popped right out. Face mask.
This helmet was a little sketchy, but luckily we didn't need it. Lauren's was a little questionable too.
We're definitely off the beaten path now. I love how Bobby too, he's like, well, do you want to eat over here or do you want to eat over there? And he's he's pointing to like
castle.
There's a shack on one side, there's a castle.
Like, this is a vineyard.
You want this regular restaurant with nobody in it, or a palace?
Yeah.
What?
No, it was a winery, to be fair. But there was a castle across the street. It's like, yeah, I feel like a princess. It's okay.
All in all, we rode around for about an hour that day. Later, we had a great dinner in Pattaya, followed by a night out.
We don't need the man show.
Wait, the man show?